the main ingredients for the chicken rice chili sauce is chili, is ginger, and garlic. Right. And the next step is to blend all of them together. Water. Okay. Pour it out. Give it a little oil. Okay. This is enough. Okay, when it's heated, now slowly you pour it in. Next step, you put salt to taste. Salt to taste. Okay. A bit more. Okay. And sugar to taste. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3. Sesame oil. 1, 2, 3. Let it stir. Let it cook until it's boiled. That's all.